Okay, test number 6 here. Let's see how this goes. I'll back up to the beginning, give it a little reading, and see where we stand. All right, so good evening or morning, folks, as the case may be. As has been extensively reported, there exists an unusually large gap between the scientific study of global warming and public acceptance of this scientific consensus. This study examines how technical and scientific communication theorists attempt to explain this disconnect and seeks areas of commonality and contention that might highlight existing controversies in the field and maybe point towards productive courses of future research. Though it's limited in topical scope, the study provides useful insight into the broader field of technical communication, not only because it focuses on the increasingly necessary area of communication between scientific and lay communities, but because it deals with communication directed toward what is often an unreceptive or oppositional audience, and hence more directly addresses the current movement of technical communication toward a more rhetorical, theoretical underpinning. Boy, that sounds terrible. You can see here, well, not here, there you go. You can see there the broad path the presentation will follow, moving counterclockwise from the title. First, I'll discuss what is and what is not a controversy in the field. Next, I'll explore in some depth the 4 overlapping causes to which the theorist I studied attribute the problem down here. Also in this section, I'll discuss several major points of contention between theorists, and you'll see that in some cases, the disagreements are profound and even fundamental. Finally, I'll go over a few notable omissions and then examine a few possible implications and suggestions for the future before moving on to your questions and comments. Okay, another couple experimental zooms here, and I will call that one a day. One more zoom, zoom. All right, let's stop that.